Have you ever pondered the intricate relationship between art and science? Now that might sound like an odd question. After all, in our minds these two fields often occupy completely separate spaces. Art is seen as expressive, subjective, and emotional, while science is viewed as objective, empirical, and rational. This binary perception of art and science being at two ends of a spectrum is deeply ingrained in our consciousness. But what if we were to challenge this notion? What if we dig a little deeper and uncover the unseen connection between these two seemingly disparate disciplines? Throughout history, art and science have not just coexisted, but they have profoundly influenced each other. They are two sides of the same coin, both seeking to understand and interpret our world and our place within it. Take, for instance, Leonardo da Vinci, one of the most iconic figures who embodied both an artist and a scientist. Da Vinci, with his insatiable curiosity and keen observation, blurred the lines between these disciplines. His artistic masterpieces were not just aesthetically pleasing, but were grounded in scientific principles. His scientific investigations, on the other hand, were not just dry observations but were presented with an artistic flair. Da Vinci was not an anomaly. Throughout history we see many such examples where art and science have intertwined, each feeding into and enriching the other. This deep connection between art and science is not just a historical phenomenon. Even today, artists and scientists continue to inspire and influence each other, leading to groundbreaking discoveries and breathtaking creations. This unseen connection is not just about mutual influence. It's about a shared curiosity, a shared desire to explore, to question, to understand. It's about viewing the world not through a narrow lens, but with a broader, more holistic perspective. It's about recognizing that art and science, far from being polar opposites, are in fact deeply interconnected. So we begin to see art and science are not as disparate as they first appear. They are intertwined, mutually influential, and most importantly, they share a common goal: to make sense of this complex, beautiful world we inhabit. The intertwining of art and science began at the dawn of human existence. Our ancestors weren't just surviving. They were observing, learning, and expressing their understanding of the world around them. This expression took a fascinating form, one that we today recognize as the first instances of human art: the early cave paintings. These ancient drawings, etched onto the walls of caves, were more than just primitive doodles. They were a testament to our ancestors' keen observation and understanding of their environment. The images of animals, depicted with surprising accuracy, reveal not only an artistic sensibility, but also a scientific mind at work. The characteristics of different species, their behaviors, their interactions with each other and with humans, all were meticulously noted and represented visually. But the cave paintings were not limited to the earthly fauna. They extended to the skies as well. Some of the oldest cave art found in Europe and Asia depict celestial events, such as the phases of the moon or a comet streaking across the sky. These early humans were not just artists, they were astronomers, documenting their observations of the cosmos in the only way they knew how: through art. Moreover, these paintings also illustrated the tactics used in hunting. Detailed scenes of humans hunting in groups, the techniques they used, the roles they played, all painted a vivid picture of their societal structure and survival strategies. These depictions were not merely artistic renditions, they were scientific records, providing us with invaluable insights into the life and times of early humans. Indeed, these early forms of human art were not just expressions of creativity, they were the primitive forms of scientific documentation. Our ancestors were scientists in their own right, their canvas a testament to their curiosity, observation, and understanding of the world around them. Early humans were the first to blur the line between art and science, setting a precedent for centuries to come. They were the pioneers of an integrated approach to knowledge, where art wasn't separate from science, but a part of it. A tool for understanding and documenting the world around them. Through their cave paintings, they laid the foundation for the paths of knowledge that we continue to tread today. Fast forward to the Renaissance, a period renowned for its explosion of knowledge. Picture, if you will, a time when the boundaries between art and science were not only blurred, but actively encouraged to coalesce. This era, brimming with intellectual curiosity and creative audacity, was the birthplace of polymaths. Individuals who mastered multiple disciplines and seamlessly blended them into their work. One of the most celebrated polymaths was Leonardo da Vinci, a man who wore many hats from artist to scientist, inventor to philosopher. His work, the Vitruvian Man, stands as a symbol of the marriage between art and science. Here, Da Vinci explored human anatomy and proportion, illustrating the ideal human form according to the ancient Roman architect Vitruvius. The drawing's intricate detail and precise measurements reveal a deep understanding of both the artistic and scientific worlds. With a keen eye for beauty and a sharp mind for the empirical, Da Vinci embodied the confluence of disciplines that defined the Renaissance. Another towering figure of this era was Michelangelo, renowned for his works in sculpture, painting, and architecture. His crowning achievement, the Sistine Chapel, is not only a masterpiece of artistic expression but also a testament to the scientific principles of perspective and anatomy. Michelangelo's frescoes, pulsating with life and emotion, are underpinned by a rigorous understanding of the human form and the laws of visual perception. This deep-rooted integration of art and science is a hallmark of the Renaissance spirit. These polymaths and many others like them were the embodiment of the Renaissance ethos, an ethos that valued the integration of multiple fields of study. Art was not separate from science, instead, they were two sides of the same coin. The work of these polymaths was more than just the sum of its parts. It was a harmonious fusion of disciplines that gave birth to a new way of seeing the world. The Renaissance, a testament to the power of blending artistic creativity with scientific curiosity. As we approach the contemporary era, the convergence of art and science takes on new dimensions. In the realm of this fusion, modern technology stands as a powerful catalyst, bridging the gap between these seemingly disparate fields. Digital art, for instance, is a prime example of this amalgamation. The advent of computer graphics and design software has given artists an entirely new palette to work with. They can now create intricate designs and patterns, manipulate images, and experiment with colors and textures in ways that were previously unimaginable. This digital revolution has not only expanded the scope of artistic expression, but also democratized it, allowing anyone with a computer to become an artist. Then we have the fascinating world of virtual reality, or VR. VR technology lets artists create immersive, three-dimensional worlds that viewers can explore and interact with. It's like stepping into a painting or sculpture, experiencing the artwork from the inside. This transformative experience pushes the boundaries of traditional art, inviting us to question our perceptions and rethink the possibilities of artistic creation. And let's not forget the role of artificial intelligence in art. AI algorithms can learn from thousands of artworks, understand patterns and styles, and then create new pieces of art in a similar vein. They can also collaborate with human artists, offering a unique blend of human creativity and machine precision. This interaction between human and machine, between intuition and algorithms, opens up new frontiers in the world of art. In this era of rapid technological advancement, scientific innovations are continually pushing the boundaries of artistic expression. They are challenging our notions of what art is and can be, and in the process, they are reshaping the landscape of creativity. So, as we stand at the intersection of art and science, we see a vibrant synergy, a dynamic interplay of ideas and techniques. In the modern world, art doesn't just imitate life, it imitates science. So, what does the future hold for the integration of art and science? As we stand on the cusp of a new era, the fusion of art and science promises to take us on an exciting journey. Picture this: a world where the boundaries between these two disciplines are not just blurred, but virtually non-existent. Emerging technologies are set to play pivotal roles in this grand symphony of disciplines. Artificial intelligence, for instance, is no longer just a tool for science and technology. It's becoming a co-creator, lending its computational power to artists and helping them explore new heights of creativity. And then there's augmented reality and virtual reality, technologies that are reshaping our perception of reality and art itself. With AR and VR, we're not just observers, we become part of the artwork, immersed in it, interacting with it. These technologies are paving the way for a new kind of art, one that is immersive, interactive, and deeply personal. But technology is just one part of the equation. To truly integrate art and science, we need to foster interdisciplinary education. We must encourage students to explore both art and science, to see the beauty in equations and the logic in paintings. We need to cultivate a new generation of polymaths, individuals with a broad range of knowledge and skills who can bridge the gap between these two disciplines. And let's not forget about creativity, the lifeblood of both art and science. Creativity is what drives innovation, what pushes us to think outside the box, to challenge assumptions and to question the status quo. It's what makes us human, and it's what will help us navigate the complex world of the future. As we venture into the future, the dance between art and science continues, sparking innovation and inspiring imagination. This isn't just a convergence of disciplines, it's a celebration of human intelligence and creativity, a testament to our insatiable curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. And in this symphony of disciplines, every one of us has a part to play. As we venture into the future, the dance between art and science continues, sparking innovation and inspiring imagination.